Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel and I hope you're doing well. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you that how to change the icon color in Illustrator. So let's start the video and please watch the video up to the end. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification from my upcoming videos, as well as follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, and I will be right back with another amazing video and I hope that you will enjoy this video.